With a friend. Okay, find a friend.
Don't do it. Don't.
Hi, Michael.
Oh my god. That's so gross.
Do you like that?